Hello, my students of 7th grade. How are you? The grammar class for today is about subject pronouns and possessive adjectives. It's very easy if you pay attention, okay? Let's start. What is a subject pronoun? Is a personal pronoun is the subject of a sentence. Subject pronouns can be singular or plural. It's very easy. Always the subject pronoun goes at the beginning of the sentence. Are, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Example, Mary, she, works in her project. Louise and Pam, they, travel in their car. The cat, it eats its biscuits. As you can see, the subject pronoun always goes at the beginning of the sentence, and the pronouns are replaced by this, okay? Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives modify the noun. Remember, the nouns are people, things, animals, and go before a pronoun or noun to show how or what owns it. Which are the possessive adjectives? My, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Remember, this shows us possession and always goes at the end of the sentence. Example, Matthias bought a car. It's in his garage. His show me that the garage is of Matthias. She writes a note in her notebook. Why I'm using her? Because I'm talking about she. Carlos loves cheeseburger and it's his favorite food. His show me that is about Carlos. Okay, this video can help you to develop the activity in your grammar book. The grammar book activity is in the page 32. Here I put a reference table that you have in your notebook. Remember, many weeks ago I gave you a piece of paper like this and you paste that in the notebook. Here you can see the subject pronouns, the possessive adjectives. Okay? Okay, my students, if you have some question, please write me. Have a nice weekend. Bye.